Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great today, and today's video is going to be a DIY video. I am going to try to make my baby girl's bow organizer or holder. It is going to be like a DIY, but of course you can buy this online, Amazon's or any website that you can, find this. I think it's $28 or $24, but those are like basic style. So now I'm going to try to make my style, and it's not gonna be that stylish, but I want to have some touch on it. Alright, so I think I only have 5 items here that I need for this project, or I needed for this project, and one of this is this board that I bought at Walmart. This is the I think reminder board, and I think this is $7. And also I have this thing here. I'm trying to learn the embroidery thing, but I think I can't, and I've been holding this thing for 2 years now. And also I have this thing here that I'm going to put on the edge of the board, and of course we have the Gorilla Glue and a scissor. So it is going to be basic, stylish, whatever. It's not that stylish, but hopefully I can add more on the edge to make it like a kind of like girly, pinky style. Let's see what's going to happen, and yeah, let's start this project. Alright guys, so let's start first with this lovely yarn. Alright, let's measure this one. So my plan is to put it like this and cover the whole board. So are you going to clip all the bow? Alright, so let's do that. So by the way guys, I'm using stick glue instead of Gorilla Glue because this one takes time, so I think this glue is, well, like, it's way easy and faster. Alright guys, so now we are done with the first step. Honestly, this is not a tutorial. I just want to show you guys how I'm gonna do it. I don't really have an idea what it's going to look like, so let's just wait. My baby is watching me right now. But anyway, so my plan is I'm going to use this here in the corner of this board like that. Let's see, and I'm kind of gonna add more decorative yarn. I don't know, stickers or whatever. Like I don't really know. Like I have to figure it out. So let's do that right now. Alright guys, so now I'm going to start with this side here.
So let me know if you give up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you give up hope by now. So let me know if you give up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know.
Alright guys, so now we are done, and now what I'm going to do is to find something that I can kind of put here to make it look a little presentable or nice or girl. So now look at this. Yep, so this is what I am going to do in every corner of this board, and this is pretty much easy to do. I found this material in one of my yarn box that has been here for 2 years, and this is kind of like one of those yarn that they use. Is a big one, a fluffy one, to make a fluffy blanket, I guess. And also I have this thing here. I don't know why I have this, but I found this thing in my box. Alright, so that's what I am going to use to continue this design. So that's going to be in the 4 corners of this board, and let's figure out later what I am going to do in this side here. Let's start. So to do this like flower style here, you just kind of make it like round like this, and then cut it, and then you have to cut it. I'm trying not to waste the yarn because it's pretty much a good material. Then you start from here in the corner. Make sure you be generous on your glue and kind of stick it there, just like that. There you go. So that's going to be like like a 1, 2, 3, like a triangular shape, and then one in this side. Okay, then repeat. Doesn't need to be perfect, like can be your, own style on the sign. Yeah. And then one more, and this one is going to be in this side. And then you're going to get one of this thing. I have different size here, but I'm trying to use as small as this one, and it's going to be on the center of that flower, and just press. That's it. It's so easy to do, that little flower. So yeah, you can see that thing there. It's pretty. The same thing. So we are moving on to the other corner. Alright, so now we are done in the four corners of this board. And now I'm going to figure out what to do with this side here. Let's be creative. Alright guys, so I decided to put a little kind of like flower ribbons. I don't know what I call that, but I just did it. Okay, just to add more color, since it's, toddler baby, they need more colors. Yeah, so I'm going to show you right now how I did that. It's really simple, guys. And of course I have these yarns, 3 colors. It's green, pink, and yellow. And now let's put something in here, this corner. So this is the easiest way to do it. So you just kind of make a circle like that, loop that around at least 10 times, and let's get more. Alright, and then just wrap that like that and cut it. And then you cut this part. Yes, okay. To make it look fluffy. So you cut that part to make it look fluffy. Alright. You don't have to tie this. Earlier I'm trying to tie that. I'm trying to lock it so it will not kind of get loose. But I noticed that if you just put like a lot of glue here, see, and it's gonna be fine. See, like that. And there you go. It's so easy. It's so simple. It doesn't going to take a lot of your time. Now I'm going to put something in here like be stylish or cute and stylish, something like that. And I'm going to figure out what can I put in this side here. Let's be resourceful and creative. Alright guys, so I decided to put cute and stylish here. So let's and then in this side here is her name, so let's do that. By the way guys, it's a painter pen that I'm using right now. And then here is her middle name. Alright guys, we're almost done. This is the cute and stylish and her name. Okay, and those are flowers there. Alright guys, so we have all her bows here, and it's a lot. And also this one here, so we are going to try to put that here right now. Trying not to cover the designs, so at least you can still see it. It's not a waste of time designing it. It's easy to put this thing here like this. By the way, I bought this on Amazon, this bow here, and I kind of like it. It's a lot of colors, options, for different dress or clothes. I think you should start in the bottom so you're not wasting space.
map that I made by myself. Oh, and
Alright, almost there. So we are done with our bow organizer, and this is how it looks. Look at that, it is really pretty. I know you can't see the yarn that I put inside and some of the decoration, but still it is very presentable. It is really organized. I know it's really simple, but it's really organized and I love it. You don't have to buy expensive, organizer or bow organizer or holder. Just make it, it's easy and your own style too. Of course, just make it a little kiddo style, just to have fun. And I know your kid's gonna like it, or your baby girl's gonna like it. Love it. Alright everyone, so I'm going to end this video right here, and I hope you guys learned something or like it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and hit that like button below if you end up liking this video. Alright, we'll see you guys next time for new videos. Please stay safe and God bless you all. Bye.